Welcome to The Explainer. Today, we're diving into the hidden science of equipment calibration. Think about it. From your food's temperature to the gas in your car, we rely on accurate numbers.
So how do we do it? Through calibration. It's the process that keeps our instruments telling the truth.
All right, here's our game plan. We'll cover why this is so crucial and exactly how it works.
Okay, let's dive in. The consequences of getting this wrong can be, well, pretty huge.
Without it, you're looking at some serious risks. But with proper calibration, you get safety, efficiency, and savings. So how is it actually done? Most calibrations follow a standard blueprint, no matter the equipment. It's a rigorous 6-step process. You identify the gear, check it, correct it, verify, and document everything. All right, that's the theory. But let's see how this works with a couple of real-world examples. First up, a thermometer. A common check uses a simple, natural standard, the exact freezing point of water. A technician just puts the thermometer in a prepared ice bath. The reading has to be exactly 0 degrees Celsius. But for more complex tools like a pH meter, you need multiple points of reference to be accurate. A 3-point calibration uses standard solutions, acidic, neutral, and alkaline, to guarantee accuracy across the full range. This entire field actually has a name, and it points to a really crucial distinction for accuracy. It's called metrology, the science of measurement. Its entire goal is to make all measurements reliable and true. And this is that key distinction. A simple verification is just a spot check at one single point. But a full calibration is a comprehensive analysis. It guarantees accuracy everywhere, which is absolutely essential for pros. The takeaway is that calibration isn't a cost, it's an investment. It protects safety, quality, and your profit. It makes you wonder, from the gas pump to the grocery store, what other precise measurements keep your world running?